Hi guys, so I'm actually literally in bed about to upload this video you're gonna watch, and originally this was meant to be a vlog with like my bookshelf reorganization in the middle of it, but somehow all the vlog clips that I found before my bookshelf reorganization, like the files just corrupted and disappeared. So now this is just my bookshelf reorganization video and no vlog, which is fine, whatever. But that means I didn't have an intro, so I just thought I'd jump on, say hi. This is my bookshelf reorganization and kind of like a tour of all my books at the end. This is literally where I've been all morning, sat here editing the video. So that's that. Enjoy. Love you. Also, do you guys like my nails? They're like a dark blue. Anyway, enjoy. Okay, so I've just like cleared off all the random stuff that was sitting on my shelves. So I'll insert, I took some photos and clips on my phone. I'll just insert them here, but as you can see, that is the current situation. This is what we're starting with. I don't really have a plan, to be honest. I do like how I have this shelf, which is kind of like fantasy and dark romance kind of mixed together. This shelf is my Penelope Douglas shelf. I think that will remain as it is pretty much. This is romance books. This is like romance series and normal people for some reason. I do really like this shelf. This is my Harry Potter shelf. It's kind of a mess. I also don't actually have the Harry Potter books because technically my sister and I share them and they live in her room. This is my YA shelf, super boring. I don't know. And then down here we have Colleen Hoover, Taylor Jenkins Reid, those two random Lindsay Kelk books, my After series, and the, what is it, Royal Hearts Academy series. On this shelf we've got two little travel books. This shelf is such a mess. My Great Gatsby that I had to buy for school, a autobiography, another autobiography, Pride and Prejudice, my Harry Styles CD, Men Are From Mars, Women Are From Venus, which one of my like best friends actually bought me from an op shop like years ago and wrote me this letter. Ew, this book is so stained, because we were obsessed with the movie Clueless, and obviously they talk about this book in that movie, so I have that. And then I have my Bible, which I am not religious, but it has a really special note in the start, so I just have that. This is the overview. So that's the situation. I'm not too sure what the plan is here, but that's what's going on. Okay, I put my camera back down because I have a bit of a dilemma. I have a bunch of Amazon packages that I haven't opened yet, but I feel like I should open them before I put them on the shelves, like before I reorganize my shelves, so that I can reorganize my shelves with those books in mind. Oh gosh. Okay, well, I might have to put this on hold and really quickly go for a separate video, film a book haul, and then I will be back. Okay, I've undone it. What? I've got all of those new books now on my bed. So I'm gonna start just, honestly, just taking all of these off, start chucking them all on my bed in random piles, so that then my bookshelves are clear, I can dust them off, and we can get to reorganizing. So I'm gonna do a little time lapse of that. My camera's about to die. Oh my gosh. This is the current situation. Oh my god. My camera battery is still charging, so I'm literally, I can't even like sit on my bed just waiting for it to charge so I can continue filming this video. Ow. Okay, so it's finished. I finished clearing them out. Like you would have seen, why can I not talk? Like you would have seen in those clips I took on my phone just then, this is the current situation. It's a mess. Also, my ring light is like up there. But this is the current situation. Just stacks of mess. Those are my little wipes that I just wiped down my shelves with. I did that off camera because I needed to do something while my camera was just charging. This is really intimidating me. Yeah, I don't know where to start. Where does one begin? I'm definitely gonna keep this shelf what it was, my Penelope Douglas shelf. So I guess I can do that. But I don't know where all those books are. They're kind of just... Oh, I see some. Oh, okay, found some. Oh. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Literally cried. So that's that shelf. Wow, yay. So the other thing I'm pretty set on now that we've got my Penelope shelf sorted is that this shelf will be my YA shelf. This is such a mission. I kind of reorganized this. I don't know how I'm feeling about it. Like, I really don't know. There's like this gap. Next shelf. I don't even know. Okay, I'm gonna turn my camera off and try and figure out what I'm gonna do. So I think I've decided on the books that will be going on this shelf. You know what? I think I might put them... Oh, I don't know. Maybe on this shelf down here. Okay, so I did do this shelf off camera because my camera battery was taking forever and my bed is still covered in books. I guess let's do my dark romance and fantasy shelf because I want that here. I liked how that looked before. That's kind of that shelf. I actually am really proud of it. I think it looks really good. Let's take a look at what books I have left so at least I can figure that out. So here I have A Risk Gone Forever and Ivy because they were ones that I was considering putting on this shelf if they fit. Then I've got Binding 13 and The Freshman, which are both like sports, high school, college romances. Then I have Things I Wanted to Say, which is definitely dark, but it's not like a dark romance, but it's darker. This is a fantasy, but I've got my after books, which are obviously also college. I don't really think I'm ever gonna read them, but whatever. Other than that, I quite literally just have Colleen and Taylor Jenkins Reid left. Ugh. It just doesn't make sense to me. Like, it just doesn't make sense. You know what? Guys, I think I'm gonna have to... and my camera's about to die again. It's fine, everything is fine. But I need to just completely change this shelf and the shelf below it because I do not like either of them. And I think I can do it a better way. Okay, we're back. I have figured it all out. I have been working on these bookshelves for like hours now. I don't even have words for how frustrating and difficult this has been. I thought it was going to be easy. This was so difficult. Oh my god. Okay, let me show you what we've got. Starting here with my Penelope Douglas shelf, we have Tristix Venom, Birthday Girl, Credence, Punk 57, Hideaway and Corrupt, Falls Boys, and then the Fall Away series and Misconduct. Going down, this shelf is kind of like random standalones that didn't have anywhere else to go and kind of fit there, and like other series to kind of carry on the series shelves that are over there. I have My Policeman by Beth Ann Roberts, Love in the Time of Serial Killers by Alicia Thompson, One for My Enemy by Olivia Blake, My Year of Rest and Relaxation by Otessa Moshfegh. I think. Sally Rooney, Normal People, In Too Deep, and Get Even by Jade Church, A Risk on Forever by N.S. Perkins, Ivy by Will and Ash, It Happened One Summer, and Hook, Line and Sinker by Tessa Bailey, and then Identity by Alexia Manzaranis, The Fine Print and Throttled by Lauren Asher, The Freshman and Things I Wanted to Say by Monica Murphy, Binding 13 by Chloe Walsh, and The After Series by Anna Todd. Moving down even more, these books are just kind of random romance books that fit there. We have Heartbones and Ugly Love by Colleen Hoover, and then Confess, Verity, All Your Perfects, It Ends With Us by Colleen Hoover, then One True Love, Seven Husbands, Daisy Jones, and Malibu Rising by Taylor Jenkins Reid, Book Lovers, Beach Read, and You and Me on Vacation by Emily Henry, Love Hypothesis and Love on the Brain by Ali Hazelwood, The Roughest Draft by, Emily Wibbly and Austin Sigmund Broker, Christina Lauren, Something Wilder and The Unhoneymooners, Lucy Score, Things We Never Got Over, Good Girl Complex by Elle Kennedy, Red, White, and Royal Blue, Casey Quinston, and Every Summer After by Carly Fortune. Moving down to my YA shelf, we've got A Whole New World by Liz Braswell, Naomi and Eli's No Kiss List, Turtles All the Way Down, Looking for Alaska, Reputation, We Were Liars, The Unbecoming of Mara Dyer, which I'm so excited to read that one. Then we have The Hawthorne Legacy and The Inheritance Games, One of Us is Lying, The Magpie Society, If I Stay and Where She Went, and then the Summer I Turned Pretty series and the All the Boys series by Jenny Han. Then I'll just do the shelf on here. Again, it's just got my Bible, my Men Are From Mars, Women Are From Venus, some autobiographies, and then two classics, Pride and Prejudice and The Great Gatsby, and then these two random Lindsay Kelk books, which I really enjoyed, but I don't have anywhere else to put them, so that's that. My Harry Potter shelf. Then moving on to my series shelf, let me just put my camera back on my tripod. Okay, we have the Royal Hearts Academy series by A. Jade, Twisted Love and Twisted Games by Anna Huang, the Magnolia and Daisy series by Jessa Hastings, the Addicted Calloway Sister series by Krista and Becca Ritchie, and then the Briar U series by Elle Kennedy, and then my Kindle, which this is my Kindle case as well. It actually is on my Amazon storefront, which is in my link tree, so that will be linked down below. Then moving up to my fantasy and dark romance shelf, we have King of Battle and Blood by Scarlett St. Clair, A Court of Thorns and Roses, Shatter Me, Song of Achilles, and The Cruel Prince by Holly Black. Then we have all of my Zodiac Academy books I have thus far. Then Gothicana and the Predator by Runix, The Savage by Sophie Lark, There Are No Saints by Sophie Lark, The Mindfuck series by S.T. Abbey, and Haunting Adeline by H.D. Carlton. So that's my bookshelves. I think that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I have been filming since like midday. It's literally like 6 p.m. That's my bookshelves. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe, and follow me on all my other socials to keep up with my life. They'll all be linked in my link tree in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!